Started.
Okay. So Lorena and I went shopping yesterday, and we need some lamps for the living room and the office. So my idea was they have these baskets on sale, and then I'm going to reach through the top and the bottom and kind of just pull it up here all the way to the top, and then I'm going to pull off another big bunch of it. The only real drawback with these, they were super cheap, you know, $5.99 for two of them. The problem is that each one of these strings is like 100 feet long. Really didn't need that much. But at $5.99 I figured I'll adjust. So you just pull all of these light things through this hole at the bottom and bring it up to the top and kind of disperse it around. And just keep pulling the string up and then bring it up in another spot all the way up to the top and kind of let it fold over the top. Now after you've got all of these poked in, you're going to have these little pieces on the back side, and just go over them with a piece of masking tape to kind of make them behave. And try and remember to leave yourself an edge on the masking tape from hell. And then just tape the little stringers that you've got here down so that they don't get caught under the lamp once you set it up. This one has 4 little pegs across the bottom. The other one didn't have any ones, but on the other one I just pushed all of it up inside. This one's kind of built a little bit different, but any of them are fine. So you've got all of that tucked up. A few little escapees through the weave on the side.
Watch the glass thing on the when you go to turn it.
Now, let me flip it that way. And it's got this little glass in here, so I'm just going to kind of tuck some of the light into that glass deal. And then, hold on. I don't actually have a power block, so I'm just going to plug it into my little computer thing. And there you go. There's a lamp for about $17. This one has the remote control on it. It comes out flashing, which is annoying, but you can have it fade.
It has different settings.
Yep. I think that's the one that fades in and out. I didn't like that one either, and I don't like that one. That's not too bad.
Yeah, that's not too bad. That's the one that fades in and out slowly. Phew! That'll cause you to get a seizure.
And there's a lamp. This one's going to go in the office.